Oh, I got it, yay! Oh, here. She just really wants him to have it.
Watch it, he'll still have He's got the 5 toes on the back. I actually don't know.
But look how gentle she's actually being. She could take that from him. Oh, he got it! Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Tore a leg.
Oh, it's a dead piggy.
Probably eat the leg.
It's a dead piggy.
Yeah.